How to fix iPhone overheat after iOS 26 update. Start by force restarting your iPhone to clear any temporary glitches. For most models, you can do this by quickly pressing and releasing the volume up button, then the volume down button, and finally holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, close all background apps, as they could be consuming system resources unnecessarily. You should also remove any thick or non-breathable phone cases that may be trapping heat. Try lowering your screen brightness, disabling background app refresh, and turning off location services for apps that don't need it. These steps can significantly reduce power consumption and heat generation. It's also a good idea to check if your apps are updated to the latest versions, as outdated apps might not be optimized for iOS 26 and could cause performance issues. If none of these steps work, go to Settings and select Reset All Settings under General Transfer or Reset iPhone. This won't delete your data, but it will reset system configurations that may be causing the problem. And if your iPhone still overheats even when idle, it might be a hardware issue or a bug in the update. Consider visiting an Apple store or waiting for a follow-up software patch. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more iPhone tips.